It's back to school and I had to come to Ikea to have everything ready for August 10. As you guys can see, the line is super long. I haven't shopped here for a year. But every year I always come with my family and I get good stuff. Somebody couldn't make it and the line was too long and plus the heat. I'm in the city of Bourbon and 1.5 hours later, finally we are going inside. I'm so excited to see all the things they have. And this is how the welcoming was. One of the reasons why we came to Ikea is because we need a new table for our new entrance. And this looks the right one for us. This is how it looks my place now. And it's only $54.99, better than Amazon. Here's the number and also the aisle. And I was also happy to find more bowls, plates, because now we're gonna be giving a color to each child. So this is a good option if you have a childcare. Prices are only $1.99, $2 for the whole set. And then we also found many school supplies. I didn't like the price too much. This is what they have available. This is one of the color pencils that they have. I took one for my kids. My daughter wanted to buy the whole store if she could, but mommy is on a budget, so I'm looking the best deals. And look what my husband and my daughter are doing. Meanwhile, I'm looking for the deals. And let's keep looking what they have. And I found something super cute. Not that one, it's this one. I had to ask my husband to help me. I'm really short. Ikea has so many toys, but I want to focus on the best items. You guys remember my video? This is the kitchen. And then they also have a lot of kitchen supplies. This is perfect because you can wash it. Anything that is made of cloth, I won't recommend at this moment because of the COVID-19. Like this kind of item, we have to wash it, so I won't get those. Ikea also has these mats and they are only $54. I remember paying mine like $300, so this is a great deal to set up your infant area. Comes only in pink, so this is the choice that they have. Ikea also has art and craft supplies, and this is almost $6 for 1 pound. Yes, 1 pound. There is so much that I can do this. I can do a sensory battle, especially now during the COVID-19. That will be perfect. They also have these plastic bowls, and it's only $1.99. Let's see what else they have. Uh-oh, look what she found. This is a really nice bedroom set from Ikea for kids, and it's like $17. But this one, just $1. And I pay in Amazon, I believe I pay like $7.99. And here right now is $1. So this one is great for ice cream. You can use with kinetic sand. And my husband found something that I was looking for a while. I always like to have those wooden trees. And every time I was planning to buy, they are always like $10. And right now, the whole set, it's $10. Can you believe it? For 20 pieces. Just for the trees, I paid $10. You can also buy different sets, extra trains, and the price is $6.99. And look what they have. They also have a nice, beautiful carpet. It's very long, and this one, cannot believe it that this is $15. I pay for one of these. It was close to $50 from Lakeshore. They have like a dining room. They also have a bedroom set, and I bought 2 of them, and they look super cool. Here is one example of my daughter's room. This is what she did with these toys, and they are made of plastic, so they are easy to clean. Let's see what else they have. And I already show you guys a plate. It comes in a set of 6, and you have several colors. And they have a bunch of them, and the price is only $1.99. Less than $2 for 6. They also have the bowls, the cups, and the flat plates. They also have several bibs made of plastic. It was $3.99 for 2, and then this one was $6.99. To me, it was way too expensive. They also had other deals, but to me, it was way too expensive. So I just wanted to share exactly what I bought. I didn't want to share something that is way too expensive when you can buy in other places. I'm always hunting and looking for good deals. Today I will reveal something, and I'm not only a childcare provider, I'm also an extreme couponer. Many of you guys don't know me, but I always love buying and not paying a penny. Here in Ikea, I didn't have a coupon, so I had to pay. But it's okay. That's why I'm always looking for deals in other stores so I can save money, and then I can come to this store and buy things for less. Let's stop here. I love these toys. My kids are having so much fun playing with them. The price is only $2.99 and it comes like 8 of them. You only have one choice on this, but they have many wooded toys. They also have these stools and they're super cute. It comes in 2 different colors. They have a lot of toys for babies and the prices are really good. Way better than Target or Walmart. So if you're looking something for you babies, for you infants, this can be a good place. The only thing is you have to wash them. Because of the COVID-19, we cannot be having them. Before the COVID-19, I used to wash it at least once a week. But now we have to clean it way more often. And these are some of the options. Today I came mainly for this because I'm still working in my office. I'm also organizing my daughter's room. And IKEA has so many options, especially for organization. In here you guys can see a different color, the maple color. They also have the black and the white. For Ariana's room, I used the white one, and you guys can see here in this picture. And they have several colors of the containers: yellow, white, orange, green, bright colors. So it will be easy for the kids to put away their toys if you separate them by colors. And they have so many options. Look at these bright colors. If you haven't been to IKEA, please go check it out. If you have a local IKEA like mine, it takes me 1 hour to be there. If you go during the week, you will have a better luck than me. So this is what I have. I'm not putting here the furniture because it's too big. I got many things for my business and also I got it for my daughter. I hope you guys like it and enjoy this trip. Thank you so much for watching. I had so much fun with you guys. Don't forget to subscribe. Also click the notification button so you won't miss my next video. Hasta pronto. See you soon.